it's Jamie. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm doing something a little bit different from normal, which I'm actually really excited about because I actually really enjoyed filming it and editing it and everything. So I'm going to be doing a little bit of a clean with me and just showing you guys how I clean my room when it's an absolute pigsty, because I'm not going to lie, my room gets very messy because I just don't clean it ever. But when I do, I have like the full system and like order that I go in and everything. So I just wanted to come here today and show you guys how I turn my room from pigsty into actually decent looking. So yeah, I really hope you guys enjoy, and let's just get into it. Okay, so as you guys just saw, my room is atrocious, but the first thing I always do whenever I'm cleaning my room is make my bed. I can't clean any rest of my room, anything else in my room until my bed is made. And I think it's because like all like my cushions and stuff are on the floor and they get in the way, and like having a nice like made bed just makes the whole room feel so much cleaner and like already. Also, yeah, let's just... yeah. As you guys can see, I have now made my bed, which my room still looks atrocious because there's still so much stuff on the floor. Sorry. There's still tons of stuff all over the floor, but it just feels nicer for now while I'm cleaning everything else. But the next thing I'm going to do is probably just put all my clothes away, because that's the next thing that's just everywhere. So I'm going to do that because I'm so bad at putting my laundry away. Like when my mum does it and she comes and puts it in my room and stuff, I just leave it there for like a week or until I wear it all. And it sucks because, as you guys probably saw, I don't have a lot of like wardrobe space in my bedroom. It's really quite annoying, but I do have like a wardrobe out in my spare room / the home econ office. So that's where like my school uniforms and stuff that like I don't really wear very often goes, and like dresses that I don't want to hang up there. That's where all of that goes. So that's the only annoying thing about putting my clothes away, is that I have to go back and forth between rooms. That's why it always takes me so long, but we're gonna have to do it. Quick life hack, guys. So if you have like jeans that you want to hang up and like pants with like belt hoops that you want to hang up, what I do is I just get, I don't know, my dad does it, but we just like normal like ply cutters, I don't know what they're called, wire cutters maybe, I don't know, and I just get him to cut like the bottom, like the straight part here, off of my coat hangers, and then you just put like the side belt loops of your pants on them and they hang. Life hack. So I just finished doing all the clothes. I took the school uniforms out to the living room. I have another scrunch on my hand. This is just where I'm keeping them while I'm trying to pattern them all. But so now what I'm going to do is actually organise what I'm going to have hanging up and what I'm not going to, because I think I actually need to organise it like in seasons and actually have a method to what's hanging up, because it was just like a colour scheme thing, which was fine, but it's like I never really wore anything that was hanging up, so it was kind of pointless to have it there when it could be out there, rather than taking up space that I could be using for clothes I'm regularly wearing. But now that it's getting into summer and the warmer weather, I think I'm going to just reorganise it and figure out what I'm going to leave hanging and what I'm not. So let's just do it. We're about to see just me finishing off my clothes, and then after that I promise we'll be done with the clothes portion of this video, cleaning my room. I am now finished with all the clothes and everything. As you can see, like, everything looks a lot clearer, more plain, which is like good for now, but we're about to get into like decluttering and like all the rubbish and just like mess stuff. So oof. This part's honestly probably one of my favorite, like decluttering and like rubbish probably actually, because it's also really easy to just pick up rubbish and put it in a bag. And then also clothes is like my least favourite because it's just so time consuming, especially with having to run between the two rooms. Also, yes, I did just put 3 scrunchies in my hair because why not? So I don't know where I'm gonna start. I'm probably, yeah, I don't know. Let's just go. Taught me, even when you're not around. If there are boundaries, I will try to knock them down. I'm latching on, babe. Now I know what I have found. So basically I've just finished organising my, and there's just like basically the random like shoes and bags and everything on my floor that I need to do. This has been a long night. I've been going, it's actually only been like an hour and a half maybe, which is actually a really long time. But my bedroom is so messy and I'm actually so happy to be doing this and to be filming this video, which gave me a good reason to actually want to do it, you know what I mean? Like, filming this video, I was like, you gotta keep going, you can't just stop halfway through like you normally would, Jamie, come on. So, this is good. Thanks guys for watching and making me clean my room. But yeah, also I'm actually feeling pretty happy about that. It looks pretty cluttered, but I don't know, the colours all kind of go, which I was quite nervous about, but it looks pretty good. I just need to spread everything out, but honestly, until all my clothes are out of the wash and everything, I'm not going to bother because like it's not even going to actually look like that. So yeah. But anyway, that's enough rambling. I'm just going to finish it, put all the stuff on my floor, and then I'm honestly done. Like, I'm so excited. I should be vacuuming and stuff, but I'm probably going to do that tomorrow because it's pretty late at night. Like, it's like 9 o'clock. I don't really want to be vacuuming. So loud, and like I just really can't be bothered. So I may as well just do it tomorrow because I'm going to be home all day. Why not? Yeah, let's just finish. Oof. So thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video. I definitely did, and I hope it maybe helped some of you guys to be inspired to clean your room, or maybe you cleaned your room with me as I cleaned mine. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure you leave a comment and let me know what you guys want to see next week, and also make sure to like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video. Yeah, see you guys later. Bye!